Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Translate on WhatsApp chatting. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to use Google Translate on WhatsApp chatting, so let's see how can I do this. Now to do that, you just have to open your Play Store app and here just go for search and search for Google Translate, and here if you have it, or you can easily open it. If you won't have it, you can easily install it from here. I have already installed. You just tap on open, and once you do that, you just have to go back and here open your WhatsApp app, and here just open the chat, and then you have to see what you have received. I have received a message. Just keep a long press on the message, and here just tap on three dots, then tap on copy. Once the message has been copied, just go to Google Translate app, and here just tap on enter text, paste your copied text here, and it will automatically change or translate that. If it doesn't, you just have to change your translating language. Here just select English. You just have to search for that. Here just enter text which you have copied, and it will translate the message. Once you have, you just have to go back, and here just enter your text. First select your language. Here's the language of the text you have entered, and here the text and the language in which you want to translate. Here you just have to select Spanish. Just download the Spanish language if you won't have. Once you have downloaded, you just have to select the language, and here just enter your text. And I'm going to enter, let's say, this one. Just enter your message. Once you enter that, just tap on go, and it will give you the translation. You just have to tap on this copy option, then go to your WhatsApp app, and here just paste the message you have copied. So in this you can easily use Google Translate while you are chatting on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.